Today's modern motor vehicles must provide greater efficiency and optimize fuel consumption, maintain performance and power, improved safety and accident avoidance, cleaner outputs and pollution control, reliability, long service life, and engine protection. These functions all rely on the Engine Control Unit, ECU, a powerful computer which performs millions of calculations each second, receiving inputs from sensors throughout the vehicle. It is the function of these sensors that provide enormous advances in vehicle operations thought impossible only a few years ago. Understanding the common sensors, their role and function will help future service, repair and diagnostics. A fast and correct diagnosis, direct fit replacement, will help your customer's car operate as it was intended from the factory. Oxygen sensor. Mounted on the exhaust, an oxygen sensor continually detects the oxygen content in the exhaust gases of an engine. The oxygen sensor output signal informs the vehicle's ECU, electronic control unit, whether the AFR, air-fuel ratio, is lean or rich. Based on this, the ECU adjusts the amount of fuel injected into the engine to achieve an optimal AFR. We recommend that oxygen sensors are checked at every major service. NTK sensors are made with the same strict adherence to OE quality and exceptional performance you can come to expect from NTK. When it comes to the reliability and function of sensors in your customer's car, make no compromise and only fit NTK, knowing you are getting the world's best products, market-leading support, and the peace of mind you know and trust. Following success in Europe and USA, NTK is excited to announce the launch of 4 new sensor ranges in Australia: camshaft, crankshaft, map, and ABS wheel speed sensors. It's the range, availability, technical support, and OE quality that makes NTK Sensors the most trusted sensor brand for mechanical workshops. NTK are the sensor specialists.